Hi, my name is Bala. I'm representing Budget Rent-A-Car. I'm from the operations. Well, when we ask about Precision Tune, being in a rent-a-car company, we always think of multiple factors like a proper support, a reliable support, a support which is consistent, a support which is uninterrupted. As we are the one of the top rent-a-car companies in Oman, getting a vehicle out from the service workshop right on time is more important to our business. And Precision Tune, with their well-experienced professional technicians, they were able to handle it since the beginning of the time. And that is the one reason why we send almost all of our vehicle to Precision Tune, expecting a same-day delivery right on time. So when it comes to Precision Tune, and I think I'm one of the happy customers.